This is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. In today's presentation, we are going to discuss three things. First, why rupee got weaker last week. Second, what is the outlook on crude, Japanese yen and rupee. And finally, why importers should not panic and cover aggressively when rupee is trading above 83.50 kind of levels. So let me start with the first part of the presentation. Why rupee got weaker and it touched 83.66 levels last week. First reason was there was an outflow close to 1.5 billion to 2 billion with respect to Indus Tower and Vodafone deal. Second, Chinese and Japanese currency got weaker. Third, oil was also moving higher and we found that RBI was not selling aggressively. Now let us understand where is all the parameters are moving for the next week. First start करते हैं USD JPY से. If you see the chart, there is a divergence seen between USD JPY chart and 10-year bond yield. Generally, USD JPY and 10-year bond yield is going to move in the same direction. It means that whenever US data is coming on the stronger side, yield is going to move higher and USD JPY will get weaker. But from last couple of weeks, there has been a strong divergence. Abhi US economic data is continuously coming on a weaker side, but USD JPY is moving higher. Now, if you see the chart, we are expecting 160 level in USD JPY to act as a strong resistance because we are expecting Bank of Japan to come and intervene heavily near 160 kind of levels, and we are expecting USD JPY to move towards 157.5 level in couple of days time. If that happened, it will be a positive for all Asian currencies. Now let us see the second factor, crude oil price, which moved from 72 to 82 kind of a level. Now we are expecting WTI crude to reverse and move back towards 72 to 74 kind of levels. There are two important reasons for the same. So the first reason is, according to EIA, US crude oil production remains near all-time high, and as far as Biden government strategy is concerned, they are going to keep the oil prices controlled till the time election in US is not getting over. Because of these two reasons, we are expecting crude oil price to move back towards 74 to 72 kind of levels. If that happened, it is going to help rupee. Now let us discuss the outlook on rupee. Last week, rupee made a low of 83.66 kind of level, and we are expecting that 83.60 to 83.70 is going to act as a strong resistance for the pair, and the pair is likely to move back towards 83 to 83.20 kind of level in coming days because of the following reasons. So the first reason is JP Morgan bond inflow will start from 28 June. Total expectation in the bond market is close to 25 to 30 billion. But from 28th of June, we are expecting in the first tranche, $2 to $3 billion will come. Second reason is Japanese yen, crude and dollar index are trading near the resistance level, and we are expecting all of them to come down. If that happens, that will be a positive for rupee. So we can conclude that exporters should participate between 83.50 to 83.70 kind of a level, and importers should not panic and they should wait for lower levels of 83.10 to 83.20 kind of levels to cover their imports. Now let me share an interesting data point with you why importers should not panic and cover aggressively. If you see the data point, in the month of January, rupee made a high close to 83.34. In the same month, rupee went below 83 and made a low of 82.78. तो Jan, Feb, March हर महीने में एक chance मिला where rupee have gone below 83 kind of level. Similar thing happened in the month of June also, where it made a low of 82.95 and a high of 83.66. इससे दो चीज कंक्लूड होता है, एक इंपोर्टर को एग्रेसिवली कवर नहीं करना है और पैनिक नहीं करना है 83.5 के लेवल्स के ऊपर पे. सेकेंड थिंग होता है कि एक्सपोर्टर्स should keep a strict stop loss of 80 to 80. The major appreciation trend might start when rupee closes below 82.80 kind of levels. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar, फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.